Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ASUS ROG Phone 9 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Start off opening Google Chrome application, tap on three dots and choose settings option. In it, we tap on Google Password Manager and there we have password which our device remember. We can click there. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to that, and after that we have entered to our password to our account. When we have normal password and username, we can copy our username and password using first icon which we see there, and after you press on nice icon on your password selection, your device show you password which remember. We can also edit all by tap on edit and write something new and change something. When you change something, remember to save it, to press save. And the last thing which we can do with our password is delete it from our device by delete and confirm it by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.